This motorhome is the Benimar Tessoro 495. It's 705 centimeters long. It costs around 70,000 euros. It has a queen bed and it's 230 centimeters in width, height 297, and a payload of around 480 kilos, 479. 5 sitting places, 5 sleeping places. And for those of you who have followed my channel in the past until now, you may have noticed that the prices are going up quite significantly. There is some dispute as to by how much. I did a calculation a few days ago which showed between 14 and 17%. However, I have been discussing this with other people who think that I have been far too conservative. There are those who think the prices are closer to 25% increase. Anyway, this is a queen bed, and as a queen bed, it's got storage at both sides. It's got storage over the bed, which I shall now show you. There you go. There's some storage over the bed. And of course, it's got a shower. This is quite a common layout for this type of vehicle. So you can a duckboard here, and when you walk around, that gives you plenty of space. There is, I think, quite a lot of space in it. So, though, of course, the bed at the moment in its up position, and if it went down, there would be less space to walk around it. Toilet here, separate, with a moulded sink, and a bit of storage up here as well. Now, it's got an extra bed. This thing here will sleep a maximum of 5 people. This bed up here, note there's 230 kilos max. Some of them, I've noticed, have a maximum of only 100 kilos. And if the bed's only got a maximum of 100, I'm not certain how you're going to get 2 people in it. Well, unless they weigh less than 100, of course. Right, so might be time to start slimming. Here we've got 3 burners. There would, of course, be... you get knobs as well, only you can't see the knobs because they take it off to stop somebody else taking them off, which is quite a good idea. In here we've got a sink, and good sized sink. And what about in here? Storage under the kitchen as well, drawers, and there you go, more storage down there. Now on this side there's a Thetford fridge. It's got a bottle compartment at the bottom. Up there is a television. Right, up here, now this will convert into a bed as well. A table actually I think is, oh, I don't know, is it a reasonable size? I don't like how narrow it is at the far end, but this size is a bit better. And then it'll also come out adding about an extra, what, third or so. This bench here, it's called a bench, and it does rather look a bit like a bench. Fortunately, often these things are somewhat uncomfortable, particularly if they're going to like to be converted for use as a bed. This chair here seemingly doesn't have much use except to sit on when you take your shoes off. However, this will be part also of the bed conversion. There you've got your fuses in an easy to access position, and oops, I'll show you this under there as well. Right, let's have a look down the outside of it. Oh, as Fords have this storage capacity. I mean, it's not, I suppose you can keep some keys and things you don't want to do with will go up there quite well. Right, as you're leaving, you've got a mirror to look at yourself at. Right, come round here, have a look at the garage, and we'll have a walk around. So there you have this queen bed in a 705 centimeter long vehicle. What do you think of it? Any good or not so good? Hey, we'll just have a look at a couple more in the sort of the same sort of range. This one here, the Mileo 297, is 80,000 euros, and this is a bit longer at 739 centimeters. It's also got a queen bed. We've got a big double bed above here which will come down electronically, and here we see queen bed. This one now is at its maximum length, if you like. It's not raised at the back, so you can see here how much space you have to walk around. Of course, here we've got the additional thing of a door to close yourself in, and a door here as well if you want to close yourself in that way. Toilet there separate as it was in the other one, but in this case the shower is not used as a throughway. So that's another queen bed in the Benimar range. Yeah, we'll have a little quick walk around this stand, see what else we can find. So Mileo 261, this vehicle has a German layout. This one here has a rather unusual layout. Yeah, I'll show it at the back because they've got beds in the garage. There you go, bed in the garage down there, storage above, and bed up there, and an enormous table and lounge. So this one here has another enormous lounge. This is, there you go. A friend of mine's got one of these, 481, and bed up there, kitchen here at the back. I think that's an unusual design. In a 6-meter van, you get the huge amount of space. This one has got a German layout. So this is Caravan Salon 2022, and the thing about this year is that all the prices are much greater than they have been in the past, and it's all very well talking about new things, but it's the prices above all which are new. Good. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that of interest, and plenty more vehicles on this channel from all sorts of manufacturers. I upload every day at 21:15, so if you're interested in motorhomes, getting new motors, so if you want to even see what this motorhome looked like in the past, Tessoro 495 or any others, in many cases I have the previous year's version as well. And not only that, if you are more sadistically minded, you can have a look at what the prices were in those past times. Thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Dusseldorf.